Hey everyone, this is Haris from teamandroid.com. It's about 2:30 a.m. here right now, and I just got around to installing the new Android Q Beta 1 on the Google Pixel 2 XL. For those of you who don't know, the first beta of Android Q just arrived. It's available for download at the moment, and it's only available for the Google Pixel phone so far. So that means the Pixel XL, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel 3, and even the 3 XL. All of these phones are eligible for getting into the Android beta program, and you can try out the new Android Q as an early adopter. There will be around 6 beta releases this time. There won't be any developer preview. All of the releases are named as beta. So let me just quickly show you. I just installed it on my Pixel 2. Let me just do a quick boot, and let's look around what new features they have included. From what I know, I shouldn't be expecting a lot of visual changes because they added a few of them with the Pi release. Let me just quickly skip Wi-Fi. Yeah, time's good. All good, except maybe I'll just skip this for now. Screen unlock. No, I don't even want this. I'll just skip this for now. And here we are. It looks and feels a lot like Android Pie. It says Google Play. So far everything seems to be just like Oreo and Pi. Most of the features what they've added are at the back end. They've added a lot of improvements and optimizations on how security was being handled. A number of new security features have been added to the Google Play Store. New APIs and features are included for the new foldable phones. And on top of all these, let me see what they've added. Everything seems more or less the same, but I guess this is just a first beta. They just want developers to get their hands on the new APIs and to test their apps on this platform before it gets out to the public. Let me just quickly show you. This is the Pixel 2 XL running the new Android Q. Let me see if there is any. Okay, it still shows P. This should get changed into the Q letter maybe in the future beta releases, but for now this is what we have. This is the build number QPB1. Yeah, it's a long one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't see any major differences at the moment. Maybe we'll have more in the next beta releases. We'll put up more details on our website and any more details about the new features that we find in this phone. But for now, that's it from my side. Bye guys.